Today we are installing crash bars on the Honda Rebel 300. Crash bars protect the engine body and bike frame in the event of a crash or dropping the bike. This kit only requires you to have a ratcheting wrench, Allen key, and regular wrench to remove and tighten the bolts. First, remove the original hardware with a ratcheting wrench. Note, the long rod is for the upper portion and the shorter rod is for the lower portion of the assembly. The spacer for the top rod may fall, but you will still need it. On the driver's right side of the bike, put the long rod from the kit through the crash bar and original spacer. Next, put the shorter rod from the kit through the lower part of the assembly. On the opposite side of the bike, place the connecting rod into the lower assembly. Then line up the second crash bar on the upper and lower rods. Next, tighten the screws and gaskets from the kit into the connecting bar on the lower assembly with an Allen key. Using a ratcheting wrench, tighten the bolts from the kit onto the lower and upper bars. Use a wrench to hold the opposite bolt stationary.
This is what stabilizes the bottom, and then the top is good. And that's it.
Thanks for watching and ride safe.